Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen, trying to make the perfect meal? Well, get ready to revolutionize your cooking experience with these amazing kitchen gadgets. Say goodbye to the hassle and hello to ultimate convenience. First up, we have the multi-purpose kitchen tool. This all-in-one gadget can slice, dice, grate, and even juice, making it a must-have for any home cook. Its compact size and easy-to-use design make it perfect for everyday use. Next, we have the Smart Blender. With its powerful motor and preset programs, this blender can whip up smoothies, soups, and even crush ice in seconds. And the best part? It comes with a spill-proof lid for mess-free blending. Now, let's talk about the air fryer. This incredible gadget allows you to enjoy all your favorite fried snacks with up to 80% less oil. Crispy fries, chicken wings, and onion rings have never been healthier or more delicious. Up next is the Digital Instant Pot. This game-changing appliance simplifies cooking with its one-touch controls and multiple cooking functions. From mouth-watering stews to perfectly cooked rice, this gadget does it all. Last but not least, we have the electric pressure cooker. This time-saving gadget reduces cooking time by up to 70%, making it an absolute game-changer for busy individuals. Imagine coming home to a hot, homemade meal in no time. And there you have it, our must-have guide to revolutionary kitchen gadgets. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tips and tricks to elevate your cooking. Thanks for watching.